YouTube Shorts is one of the ways you can make your channel discoverable by many audience. So today I'm going to walk you through on how you can make YouTube Shorts in Microsoft ClipChamp. All right, I will take further step and guide you on how you can convert that your long form video that is in a bigger dimension into shorts. So let's get right into it. Remember, ClipChamp is free to use. So let's access that through the web. So I'll open my web browser. Open yours from your own end, all right? Visit clipchamp.com and log in. If you don't have accounts already existing with ClipChamp, just click on try for free and follow the on-screen guide. But here, let me sign in. Once you're landed on this page, you can start creating your video. Okay, so click on create a new video. Okay, here this opens the video editor section for you to start creating what you want to have. Okay, then by default you can see 16 by 9 is chosen, which is the default dimension for recording long form videos. Our interest is on how to record shots. So click here and select 9 by 16, which is the default dimension for recording YouTube shots. You can see good for Instagram stories, TikTok, and mobile videos. Shots are the same as mobile videos. So click on this option. Good, you can see it's now in vertical dimension, okay? Just like the way you're recording your video with your phones, okay? The next step is for you to start your recording or to import the video you already recorded. So here, let's say I want to record the video here in this dimension. So click on record and create. Select camera. Okay. When you select camera option, record what you want to record in short. And after that, stop that. Okay. And start your editing. You can see my face here, so I can hit record. In today's guide, you learn something nice about Godwin Tech. So I have to stop here. So once you click on that save option, save button, the video will be saved and it appears here. Okay, now the video has been saved and you can see it here and it's placed on the timeline automatically. So it's now your responsibility to edit it in short form. We have chosen the dimension already, but the video records in 16 by 9 instead of 9 by 16 because that is how this program is structured. So let's play. Today's guide. Okay, so what you need to do is just to stretch this so that it will be of this dimension. It will be contained inside this default dimension we chose. And how do you do that? First, click on the video on the timeline, then start stretching. Okay. Okay, so you ensure that everything is contained inside this box. Okay, good. Then let's play again. I'll click out, click here. You learn something nice about Godwin Tech. You can see. So ensure that as the video is playing, you monitor the screen here so that you ensure that your face or what you want to show is captured inside these dimensions, which is for shots. If you want, you can click here and drag it up and still drag down this way. All right. And ensure you have something nice. So this is how you can record shots or edit shots, all right, in ClipChamp. Now, let me walk you through on how you can edit tutorial, which is recorded in 16 by 9 by default. All right, so that's the part 2 of this tutorial. Okay, I'm going to import a tutorial video, short tutorial video for this to explain how you can edit your long form videos into short. All right, so click on import media. Now get to where you saved the video tutorial you want to convert to short. Okay, look at the file I want to use, the one named sample tutorial. All right, so I'll click on it and click on open. Now this video is now imported here. So for me to start editing it into short, I have to drag it and drop here. So I'll drag and drop it here. So let me get my playhead here. By default, this video is like this. Okay, it's in 16:9. You can see it's in 16:9, but our interest is to convert this into short. Then what you need to do is click on this 16:9 by the side and select 9:16. So our interest here is that we are going to be capturing the main areas of this tutorial and not the entire screen, the entirety recorded on the screen. Okay, then I'll play. And then now here our interest here is to capture this side. So I'll click on cut for me to cut this video. Then I'll click here and then drag so that this side I'm trying to explain will be captured. All right. After that, I will drag again because our interest is to get this. Okay, ensure everything matches fine. Good. Then I can now play again. Click here. We see that this Wi-Fi is connected to a device named GTech. You can see, so I can now cut. So once you get to where you need to show on the screen, cut it and then keep on monitoring your video until you get to the next section where you need to capture that particular part in the short video. So I'll play again. That is the okay. All right, so you can see here now there's something I'm explaining in this section, but it's not displaying fully. What do I need to do? Then I'll click on cut. I would look for where it starts. Okay. Then just be careful to dictate where it starts. That is the okay. This video starts here. So I'll click on cut. One is being cut now. This is the part I'm working on. Then I'll take my cursor here and then drag this, so that it will capture where I'm trying to explain. Okay, good. This is where I'm trying to explain. So let me play it. Okay, the control panel has shown up on the list here, so I'll click on it. Then I'll pause. You can see I'll pause the video, then I'll click on cut again. All right, now that I've clicked on cut, I will play again to find out another major area where I want to teach in the short video. So I'll play again. So give it. Okay, this is another part I want to play. I want to capture, but it's not showing fully in this shot. So I'll click on what? Cut for me to work on this part as well. So I will drag this video to capture the area I really want to tell my audience about. All right. So I'll play it for me to detect where I want to talk about. A name of your choice. You can see it's not captured here. So I'll keep on pushing until I find out where I want. Okay, you can see this is where I'm explaining the parts. So that is what I need on this screen, okay, on in this shot. So let me get here, take the arrowhead here and play again. A name of your choice. Good. So that is that. So this is how you can edit your long form videos into short, whether they are tutorial or a video of yourself where you are talking to the camera. All right. So once you're done with the editing of your task, all you need to do is to export. And to export the video, click on export and then select the type of format you want. Do you want it to be in HD or in 720p or in 480p? All right, for drafts. So here or in 4K, but here I'm using the free version of ClipChamp, so I can export in 4K. So let's go with this option, which is 1080p HD. Once the video is done exporting, it will be saved in your PC. You can then go on and open it and play it or upload it on YouTube. So this is how you got to do that in easy steps. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel because here we cover more on technology. which cuts across how to use software applications, how to use mobile phone, and how to use computers. So these are things that matter in our world of today. So learn how you can complete one or two things. We also cover YouTube education for those that want to become content creators. All right. So subscribe to learn all these. Hit the like button for YouTube to recommend this video to more people. Please, have you done that? Please hit it. Because when you do this, YouTube will know that okay, this content is valuable. Then they will push it to more people that may need similar type of video. All right. Leave a comment. Let me know how you feel. Does this guy really helps? Yeah. Just leave a comment. Or if it doesn't help, still drop that in the comment section. I'll see how I can guide you further. Leave a comment saying thanks if it helps. It's not a big problem. So you can do something, okay? Just do that in the comment section. To learn more deeper things of video editing, watch this video. Thank you and see you some other time.